In this video, we are going to talk about the shopping experiences in Shopware 6. So after creating the products, we need a little bit of a makeup in the storefront for the shop pages, listing pages, product pages to look fancier. And in order to do that, we need a content management system which is in Shopware 6 called Shopping Experiences. Shopping experiences can be found under content in admin, and once I click the shopping experiences, as you notice, the left menu collapsed automatically, so we have a larger room in the right side for the design of the layouts. So in the overview, we have all types of the layouts, and you can also filter the layouts by shop pages, landing pages, listing pages, and product pages. You can change the view of the layouts to the list menu or go back to the previous overview menu. And it's also possible to sort the layouts by the creation date and the modification date, ascending or descending. Under shop pages, all the service pages are found. These are the service pages like terms of service, imprint, and so on. And the landing pages offer a wide range of design and marketing options in the shop, like theme pages in which the marketing can be done, or other pages on which the customers can land during their visit on your shop. The listing pages are, in other words, are the category pages, and these include the automatically the product listing. So furthermore, we have the possibility to dynamically display the text from the corresponding category on a category page. Under the product pages, we can design our modified or use the standard page layout for the product, or it's also, as I said, possible to design and modify the layout according to our requirements.